Stafford, Sugar Land, Missouri City, and West Houston, buckle up for an entertaining and enlightening journey with us. The recently renovated Colony One Auto location is now open. Experience the difference at our remodeled auto repair shop and step into the new inside of Colony One Auto. Enjoy cozy waiting spaces, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary beverages and popcorn. Our friendly staff is here to assist you promptly with your vehicle needs. Colony One Auto Center offers a wide variety of top-notch auto repair services and vehicle maintenance with cutting-edge tools. From Texas state inspections to quick lube, oil and filter service, and even factory-scheduled maintenances, we've got you covered. Our ASE-certified master technicians specialize in engine and transmission repairs, overhauls and replacement, AC and heating repair diagnosis, brake repair and replacement, alignments, tire rotation and balance, front-end steering, suspension work, exhaust repair services, and more. Conveniently located on Dulles Avenue, our auto repair shop is at your service. We interpret your needs and concerns to find the fastest, most efficient way to deliver the fix or maintenance you require. Have questions about our automobile service and repairs? Don't hesitate to contact us today. Visit our auto repair and auto maintenance pages on our website to explore the comprehensive list of services and tips we provide. And here's the best part. When you bring your car or truck to Colony One Auto, your vehicle is covered by our nationwide 2-year and 24,000-mile service warranty. Colony One Auto is proud to be recognized by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence as a Blue Seal of Excellence repair shop. Our ASE-certified master technicians undergo continuous training to ensure top-notch services. Colony One Auto Center will be here to service your vehicles for many years to come. Trust us with your automotive needs, and let's keep you on the road, neighbors. Colony One Auto Center, 1131 Dulles Avenue, Stafford, Texas, 77477. Call us at 281-501-7336 or visit our website at colonyoneauto.com.